Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between two impressive dash cameras, the Suvcon dashcam, which offers 1080p recording, and the BuySmart dashcam, boasting a stunning 2.5K QHD resolution. Both cameras are designed to enhance your driving experience and provide peace of mind with their advanced features. We'll explore how they stack up against each other in terms of video quality, night vision performance, and parking monitoring capabilities. Let's get started. Let's start with video resolution. The Suvcon dashcam records at 1080p, which is decent for everyday use, but it may lack the detail needed for capturing fast-moving objects like license plates. On the other hand, the BuySmart dashcam takes it up a notch with its 2.5K QHD resolution, providing sharper and clearer images. This higher resolution is particularly beneficial for rideshare drivers or anyone who needs to capture critical details while on the road. In this category, the BuySmart clearly outshines the Suvcon. Next, we will discuss night vision capabilities. The Suvcon dashcam utilizes HDR technology along with 4 infrared LEDs to enhance low-light recordings, making it suitable for night driving. However, the BuySmart dashcam features a more advanced setup with a 6-glass lens and 4 IR lights, which significantly improves clarity in dark conditions. This means that if you often drive at night or in low-light environments, the BuySmart dashcam is likely the better choice for capturing clear footage. Finally, let's compare the parking monitoring features. The Suvcon dashcam offers a convenient G-sensor activated parking mode that works right out of the box, providing peace of mind without any additional setup. In contrast, the BuySmart dashcam requires a separate ACC hardwire kit to enable its 24-hour parking monitoring feature. While both cameras provide this essential functionality, the Suvcon's immediate usability gives it an edge in this category. In conclusion, both the Suvcon and BuySmart dashcams offer excellent features for their price point. If you prioritize video clarity and night vision, the BuySmart is the way to go. However, if you prefer a straightforward setup with immediate parking monitoring capabilities, the Suvcon is a solid choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like